Experiment, we are going to learn something new. With me, what I have is onion juice, paper. Even you have your sheets of paper, right? Very good. Then I have a candle and a lighter. And also, the main thing, a pen. This is a pen. The earbud is going to be used as a pen. So now let us see, how do we use earbud as a pen? Are you all excited? Yeah. So now the first thing is, I'm going to hold my pen in hand, that is my earbud. I'm going to dip the end of it, the broken end, into the onion juice. Dip it nicely. Now, I'm going to write something. Now, we are going to wait for it for about 2 minutes to get dried. And then we will see what happens. Okay? Yeah. Now, children, my ink has got dried. Can you see anything written on the paper now? No. It's totally vanished. It has disappeared. Yeah, you can see in your papers too. Yeah. And I'm going to burn the candle. Okay? Now the candle is lit. Now I don't know where, but I assume it was somewhere here in the middle. Okay? So I'm going to hold that part above the candle. I just held the paper over the fire and my secret message was revealed. Can you all see what is written? Very good. Roselle D'Souza. Did we use brown ink? No. How did that happen? It is because onion juice, it burns faster than paper. So before your paper can burn, the onion juice will burn. Perform for us Science Week. How do you like it? Yes. Now you all will do it one by one. I will call you and you all will see it for yourself.